Bro, right now on Deck Screener, anyone can make 1K per day. Making meme coins, look at this meme coin. It is literally a rug pull. How are people falling for this? Bro, so many people are making thousands every day, creating meme coins and rugging them just like this guy. Alright, here's how you do it. But just so you know, this is all in good fun. Don't take it seriously. Yo, want to make a memecoin without spending a ton? I got you. I'll show you how to create and promote one affordably, maybe even make serious cash. Watch closely and join the Discord if you get stuck. Step 1. Visit easycoinlaunch.com. If you're using your phone, just open it in Phantom Wallet. Works fine. Once you're there, hit Create Token. Now here's the big thing. Your coin needs to follow a trend if you want it to do well. I usually go with something meme-related or AI-based. Those seem to take off, so that's what I'm doing here, making a coin based on a random AI trend. All right, your idea and coin name are set. Now enter the name in the name field and type the same thing in uppercase under symbol. For your description and profile pic, if you're stuck, just do what I do. Search Google for AI robot picture square. That last word, square, is important, so your image format's right in the metadata. Set your decimals to 9, and for total supply, go with 1 billion. When you get to creator information, pay attention. This can help your coin look more legit. Just use any website that fits your coin, like I'm using the AIrobots.com. For creator name, write whatever you want. You can leave the toggle off. It won't hurt anything. And that last part? It won't be seen on Deck Screener. It's just hidden metadata. Oh, and for the description, just put whatever you want. Now, for the last thing, here where you have these 3 checkboxes, you just want to tick all 3 of them. If you don't tick all 3, then there is a 50% chance it won't even show up on Deck Screen. And if it does, it will have warnings next to it saying that it could be a possible rug pull. Now just connect your wallet and get your tokens. Remember guys, this is the small price you have to pay if you want to make a successful meme coin. And boom, you just got to wait like 20 seconds while it creates your coin. It should now be in your wallet, okay? So you got your coin. Now you want to get your token address. Just copy what I do. Open your Phantom wallet. Find the tokens you just created. Click the 3 dots and then view it on SolScan. Here, you can just copy where it says token address. Just paste this address in your notes or something so you can get it later. Now that your tokens are live, they're still worth 0 because we haven't attached a price to them yet. I'm going to show you how to do that. Head back to the same site and go to the Create Liquidity section. This is super important. As soon as you do this, your token will show up on Deck Screener, Bullix, and other trading platforms. That's how we bring in buyers. Now, for the base token, choose the memecoin you just launched. For the quote token, go with Solana. Then type in 950 million as your token supply. You can choose how much Solana you want to put. I'm using 0.3 for this. You'll get it back when you remove the liquidity later. Click on Create Liquidity Pool, then open your wallet and check if the Solana was deducted. If it wasn't, hit the button again. Solana sometimes skips a transaction when the network is fast. So now you want to open up Deck Screener and paste in that token address we copied earlier. Give it about 25 seconds and your coin should load on the chart. The one I just made is already showing buys, which means it's tradable. From this point, just keep an eye on the price. If people start buying, you'll see it go up quickly. Basically, this approach works because every time you create a meme coin, it shows up on the newest memecoin list that tracks all recent launches. You'll notice that about 4 coins get made every minute. This means competition is easier because hardly any coins launch directly on Radium, which is a smaller exchange with less noise. When you launch there, you don't have to worry about tons of projects flooding the market or stealing your buyers. But if you visit Pump.Fun and look at the newly created coins, you'll see an enormous number of coins being created every second. The competition on Pump.Fun is brutal, and without a $10,000 launch budget, you won't be able to compete and won't make any money. That's why I prefer launching directly on Radium to cut out all the competition and give my coin the best chance to succeed. Now let's check on our coin. We're already a few dollars in profit, and I'm going to leave it running for a few more minutes to see how it develops. You're probably wondering why anyone would buy this coin since it doesn't even have a banner or profile picture yet. The truth is, since the coin was just launched, it's normal for those details to be missing for a little while. Normally, it takes Deck Screener around 20 minutes after a new meme coin is launched to update with profile pictures and banners. So if we rug pull before that 20-minute mark, we can make a decent profit before people start to notice or sell. Most of the buyers won't even be on Deck Screener though. They'll be on websites like BullX, which are designed for professional traders who jump on new coins immediately after launch. We take advantage of those traders by rugging quickly. At this stage, we could remove all liquidity and make a couple $100. But remember earlier when I said you can use bots to promote the coin and make even more? That's the next thing I'm going to show you. Head over to Easy Coin Launch, and at the top, click the Promotion tab. There you'll see 3 different promotion methods. It costs 0.5 SOL for each, which might seem a bit expensive, but trust me, this is how you go from earning a couple of bucks per rug pull to making thousands. I'm going to buy all 3 promotions to demonstrate, but even buying just one will boost your earnings significantly. Your earnings. While editing this video, I just noticed the promotions are currently 50% off. I definitely recommend jumping on this deal before the price goes back up. Bro, when you run this, you're basically sending 1,000 bots to promote your meme coin across the whole crypto scene. Pick X promo and you'll see non-stop comments on all the meme coin threads within 5 minutes. But the Telegram one, that's the secret weapon, bro. It throws 1,000 AI bots into chats that actually speak like real crypto bros and get people hyped to buy. By the way, I told you I'd tell you how to get some free Solana. All you need to do is like the video, subscribe, and post something creative in the comments. I'll choose 10 to reply to. Join the Discord in the description so you don't miss it. So we started the promotion 10 minutes ago, and this coin has blown up big time. Now let's check our earnings. Open Easy Coin Launch, click on Manage Liquidity, then choose Remove Liquidity. Pick the token you made, click on it, paste the number here, and click Remove. And that's it. Liquidity is basically gone now. This method works great for now. Take advantage before it gets patched. Need help? Join the Discord. We'll walk you through anything.